Hello everyone, welcome to Preetha's class. Today we are going to learn a grammar lesson and subject is indefinite article. So let's start. A, an and the are articles and specifically a and an are indefinite articles. Indefinite means not specific. Therefore, usually we use a and an to talk about non-specific nouns. And the is the definite article. Therefore, usually we use the to talk about specific nouns. I found a toy yesterday. It is the first time I mentioned a toy. For the reader or the listener, it is not specific toy. So, we use the indefinite article a. If I am continuing the story, I am going to give the toy to Sona. Now, I have already mentioned the toy in the previous sentence. Therefore, now it is specific toy for the reader or the listener. You already know the toy. You know it exists. So, we use the definite article the. Very important. Articles only modify nouns. They do not modify other words like adjectives, adverbs, etc. Example, I have a candy. So, noun is candy and a is the article. The article a is modifying the noun. I have a tasty candy. Here we have added an adjective tasty. But that isn't change anything. The article is still modifying the noun. I have a tasty. This is wrong because there is only an adjective, there is not a noun. So, an article cannot modify an adjective. In this lesson, you will learn the main uses of the indefinite article a, an. The rule is we use a before a consonant sound. Example, a banana. Banana starts with a consonant sound. A duck and a tiger. So, tiger starts also with a consonant sound. Very important. It is the sound, not the spelling. Consonant sound. So, I am going to give you an example of an exception. For example, this word begins with a vowel. But in fact, it is a consonant sound. University. Letter U is a vowel, but we pronounce it as university, which is a consonant sound. So, we use a indefinite article. A university. We treat it as a consonant. We use an before vowel sound. Example, an apple. Apple starts with the vowel sound. An orange. An umbrella. Vowel sound. Again, we have the same rule, which is the sound, not the spelling. Vowel sound. For example, this word begins with consonant letter, but in fact, it is a vowel sound. So, the consonant letter is the letter H, but the pronunciation is our. The H is silence. Therefore, we use an hour. Here is the summary of the rule. A is used before a consonant sound words, regardless of their spelling, and an is used before vowel sound words, regardless of their spelling. Let's look into with more detail. With example sentences. I saw a dog swim across the river. Tom pulled a box from under the bed. Tina sleeps on a sofa that converts into bed. Sony broke a window in the classroom. A ball hit her on the right leg. And example sentences. I have an interview to prepare. I have always been an athlete. He is what we call an honor student. I got her an ice cream so that she wouldn't get upset. The teacher said that he wouldn't give us an exam this week. So this is the end of the lesson. Here are some other videos which you might be interested in. Check in and learn more about noun in my types of noun video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you back soon. Bye-bye.